Hey Dripify fam, and welcome to Dripify, the most trusted sales automation tool transforming lead generation for thousands of businesses worldwide. My name is Kayla, and today I'd like to show you how you can add leads from the search page of a free LinkedIn account to your campaign in Dripify. Let's dive straight into our dashboard. All right, first things first, we're creating a new campaign. The very first step is to, you guessed it, add some leads. Now, if you're like most people and don't have a premium sales navigator or recruiter account, no worries. Dripify works perfectly with your basic LinkedIn account. We'll go ahead and select basic LinkedIn search as our source. Now, head over to LinkedIn. Here's a handy link right here. And use all necessary filters to find the right audience for our campaign. Let's search for Chief Executive Officers. In the software development industry, living in Canada. Perfect. Quick note about basic LinkedIn search. You're limited to viewing the first 1,000 profiles in your search results because LinkedIn only displays the first 100 pages, with 10 profiles per page. So, even if your search shows thousands of profiles, you'll only be able to access the first 1,000. The rest will remain hidden. If your filtered search still returns more than 1,000 profiles, I recommend applying additional filters to narrow your audience to around 1,000 profiles. This ensures you can add them all to your Dripify campaign. Okay, we've found the people we want to add to our Dripify campaign. So all we need to do is copy this URL, go to Dripify, and paste the link into this field. Great! Dripify has confirmed that the link is correct. Now, you need to select how many profiles you'd like to add to this list of leads. Either the maximum possible number, which is 1,000 for a basic LinkedIn search, or a specific number. Let's add the max number of leads to our list. Click Next, and give your list of leads a name. CEOs, Canada, software development, and press Create a List. Well done, our list is created. And once you launch this campaign, Dripify will start pulling leads one by one from the LinkedIn search page. Keep in mind, you can upload leads while creating a campaign like I just showed you, and also by going to an existing campaign and uploading more leads the same way. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights. If you found it useful, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of our community and share even more tips and strategies with you. Stay connected and keep your lead generation game strong. See you in the next videos.